We will install an extension as a last one from window. Choose Extension Manager. Click Install Extension. From these extensions, choose Face Creator and install it. Because I had installed it, I won't click Open, but all these extensions will be attached so you can download it. The workspace needs to be arranged, so open tray number 1 and expand tags to arrange this work on tags. First tag we will create, we will name it X capital, then score, sketch. Next tag, name it L capital, score, blocks, 2D. Then next tag, name it L, score, floor plans, 2D. We will unlock the sketch image to change its tag from entity info. Put it on tag X sketch. I name it X because this image will be used on X-ray style if we are working on more than one sketch. Subsequent that floor plans 2D tag, select all the ground floor plan. Then make all a group, press G, and tag it with L floor plans 2D. Also this plan, tag it with floor plans 2D, turn off the X sketch tag and L floor plans 2D. Here for these drawings are considered as 2D blocks. Tag it with L blocks 2D. From here choose the tag and turn off this tag. Now the workspace is arranged so you can turn on the tag you need.